Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to play games offline on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're going on an airplane and you don't want to use data. How do you actually go ahead and play games offline? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But as you can see here, we have airplane mode turned on. And in order to do that, there's actually two ways. The first way is that you can hold down the home button and you can see airplane mode, and you can toggle it on or off. So we're actually going to turn it off for a second. The second way to turn on airplane mode is to click on the system settings and then toggle on airplane mode and then click on it here. So what this is going to do is that it's going to make sure that you play offline. So for example, if we open up Mario Kart and then let's go ahead and connect our controllers, you can see now we're playing Mario Kart offline. Now, this does depend on what game you're playing, okay? If there are intended games that are supposed to be online, then you won't be able to play that game offline. So an example game would be Fortnite, where that game is primarily played online. So therefore, even if you're on airplane mode, you still won't be able to launch the Fortnite game perhaps. But for games which are perfectly fine to play online, such as Smash, Stardew Valley, Mario Kart World, you should be fine when it comes to turning on airplane mode and then playing that game offline. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and play games offline on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.